Hi guys, in today's ES6 section, let me make it bigger. We're going to talk about for of and for in. So again, let me just write it out for you so you can see what I'm going to explain to you. The differences between for of loop and for in loop. So I'm just going to use these two examples here to illustrate the two main differences. This is part one of my generators example. I'm going to go through how generators are used in ES6. This is just part one of it, just explaining what for of is and for in loop. Okay, so let's start with the first one, the easier one. I would say for of loop is like it's like the regular for loop, just with a little twist to it. Let me explain that. Again, I believe the best way to learn is to see examples. So let's say for let color, we're gonna use the color example. Let color of, this is the for of thing that I mean. Let color of colors. So here I'm saying let color of colors. So this is a generator. It's like an iterative function. It recalls itself with each element. So with each one of them, I'm going to say console.log, just print out the color. That's all. That's all I'm saying. Just print out the color. Let color of colors. So what it's going to do is going to print out red, then blue in a new line, then yellow in a new line, then green in a new line. Okay, so let me just separate it because I'm going to do a lot of printing out. Console.log. So I'm just going to separate what I'm going to do. Nothing fancy here. I'm just separating stuff. Alright, so this is the for of loop we're using for this array over here. Okay, so let's try it out. Did I save it? Yes, I did. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so no test. Beautiful. So we have red, blue, yellow, and green. So it prints out each color in the array: red, blue, yellow, green. A regular for loop will do the same thing. Honestly, it's gonna print out each colors inside the array. Now to do a regular for loop, you do for let I equals 0, I is less than 4, and then I plus plus, and then colors bracket I. So it's much longer code to write. This does the same exact job. Now that's the beauty of this. Now let me show you the difference with the for in loop. The for in loop, again, using the array example, it's going to give you the position of each element. So the for in loop, let color, same thing, in colors. So it's going to give you the position in each. So console.log color. So it gives you the position. It's going to give you the position. Let color in colors. So it gives you the position. So let's see. Beautiful. 0, 1, 2, 3. It gives you the position. Red is in position 0, blue is position 1, yellow position 2, and green position 3. That's what it does. So that gives you the position. Okay, beautiful. That's really good. There's something else I want to show you now. We're not done yet. There's something else. Now that we're done with the colors example, I don't really need it, so let me just remove it. Now I'm going to focus on the object example. I'm going to show you something. Let's leave that for now so we don't get an error. So I'm going to change from the colors to the object. Here we have an object of red, blue, yellow. There's 3 reds, there's 4 blues, there is 1 yellow. An object in JavaScript is a way of just putting data together in a meaningful way. It's different from an array or a string or any other type of data structure. Alright, so in this one, object, right? So I'm going to say let I of objects. What we're going to get is it's going to say it's going to say this is non-iterable. You cannot iterate through it. That's what we're going to get. And it should give us that. Let me just comment this out. So this should give us I don't need this. Don't want to confuse me. Alright, so this is going to print out an error saying that this object is not iterable. Obviously that's obvious, but that's the reason why I'm showing you that. So let's try that. Okay, object is not iterable because it's an object, it's not an array. For loop will give you the same thing. Now here's the difference between that and a for loop. So I'm just gonna comment this out now because I don't need it anymore. But now here, let's use this. Now in a let color in colors. Now let's do it with this. Let us use the object. Now what do you guys think is gonna happen with the in loop, not the off loop? Let in loop. Now let in loop, should it give us the same error? Let's see. Like this. No, it gives us the actual color. So when we used an array, when we did an array of colors, it gave us the position of the color. But when we use an object, it will actually iterate through the object and it give us the color. So let in can also be used to iterate through an object. It would give you the key of the object. This is key, red is key, this is the value, key, value. So it'll give you each key, red, blue, yellow. And that's exactly what it did for us. Now, to get the value, we use also let in. But to do so, let me show you. So my goal is to get the value of each one of them. So I can do this. So to get the value, I can console.log that out, but I'm going to say object of I. So it's going to go through the object and passing the key, and then which is going to return for me the value. Let's see. 3, 4, 1. Right? That's 3, 4. And we can even do it together. We can console.log it. We can say, okay, we just use a plus concatenation. Let's see how I want to do it though. Let's say I plus little space plus. Alright, let's try that. Let's see what we get. Alright, so red is 3, blue is 4, and yellow is 1. Beautiful. And we could even make it better. Put a little semicolon. Nice. Beautiful. Red is 3, blue is 4, yellow is 1. So there we go. So here, those are the main differences. We can use that to obtain the key and the value by using let in. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.